Hey y'all, it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening our March 180 degree box. I am super excited to dive in and see what's in this box. If you didn't see my last month's unboxing, definitely go check it out because the February box was amazing. I can't wait to dive into this. I do think the March box is already sold out, so if you are interested in the 180 degree box, you will sign up for the April one. I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and open this up. If you're unfamiliar with the 180 degree subscription box, they are a monthly lifestyle box. They're around $49 a month, and I do believe that goes down if you pay for a longer subscription. I actually was having a conversation with my boyfriend a few days ago about why the box is called the 180 degree box. So I looked at their website and they actually have a really great description. They said something a lot more eloquent than what I'm about to say about how people usually think, when they think holistically, of a 360 degree box. But we're not looking to go full circle and end up right where we are. We're looking to do a complete 180, turn things around and do them the right way from the beginning. And I just absolutely love that. I think it's so fun, and I love that that is the name that they went with. And I definitely think that their curation and products speak to that too. So without further ado, let's dive into the box. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. On top, we do have a little card that has some information about the theme. Looks like the theme is happy space, which is awesome. And then we have a bunch of information about the theme itself and all of the products. And then this is what it looks like. We have a bunch of little packing peanuts. The first thing I'm noticing in here is this jar, and this is from Beauty Kitchen. This is the Lavender Take a Breather Sugar Scrub. I love a good scrub. I'm so excited to try this. It just has grain sugar, rice bran oil, lavender buds, and lavender essential oil, so it's definitely very clean. That smells so delicious. Very natural. Looks like this. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for this. Then I'm seeing a Owl in the Towel Bergamot deodorant cream. Okay, interesting. I'm really big on using a natural deodorant. I've used Native for years and I absolutely love it, but I'm always interested to try some new brands out there. So this is free of aluminum, artificial fragrances, and silicones, and it is a hands-free application. I don't know if I've tried a deodorant cream before, so this is really interesting. Oh, okay, so this is what the applicator itself looks like. Interesting. I want to smell it, but I don't want to like get it all over myself. I can't really smell it yet. It's super thick. Ooh, it's really subtle. I actually really like that. It doesn't smell like traditional bergamot to me. It tastes like, don't taste this. It smells like there's something else going on and I don't know what it is, but I definitely like it. So this is pretty exciting. Okay, then we have the only thing that I saw spoiled on, I believe it was an email or their Instagram, and it is this Rooted Soy Blend Time Candle. Okay, so not only is this packaging absolutely adorable, oh, this is definitely what smells good. Oh, it smells so good. It kind of smells like Abercrombie, but like the good way, not the overwhelming, give you a headache way. It just kind of smells like a sexy man. Okay, I'm so into this. So not only is this an absolutely incredibly good smelling candle, the amazing thing about this is that it actually comes with thyme seeds. So once you're done burning the candle, you can actually use the jar to plant some herbs. Look how cute this little jar is. Okay, so there's definitely a little bit of residual wax and stuff on the side, and I'm already getting fingerprints, but I do not care. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So this is what it looks like. I'm obsessed with this green right now. It does come with a little package of seeds. So this is so exciting. I love this. I think this is such a unique product and I cannot wait to actually burn through this candle, have my house smell amazing, and then plant some fresh herbs for myself to cook with. This is so cute. Ooh, then it looks like we have a snack, and this is the Smart Cake Beyond Gluten Free. It says we have 2 Smart Cakes, and it is in the lemon scent. So this is what that looks like. We get 38 calories, 0 grams of starch, 0 grams of sugar, 5 grams of fiber, and 4 grams of protein. And like I said, you do get 2 of them. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just this super cute little cake with some little bits of sugar. This is so adorable. Okay, so then you kind of unwrap it to see the cake. Whoa. That is wild. I don't even know how I'm gonna begin to describe this. So it definitely does taste like a lemon pound cake. There's something else in there that I'm really, really liking. It's not as bright of a lemon. It's more of a subdued kind of like a lemon cream, which I am totally here for. The thing that is really blowing my mind is the texture of this. It's very spongy, but still super, super light. So it's just a really fun texture to eat. It almost feels like I'm biting into some kind of like Tempur-Pedic foam, which sounds like it wouldn't be good, but it's honestly really fun to eat. So I'm pretty excited to devour these once I'm done filming. All right, then we have a Dr. Botanicals GR cleanser. So this is in grapefruit and watermelon. Look how cute and fun this packaging is. I'm excited to have this. Oh, it is very full. Oh, it smells really good. It's not super scented, which I actually really appreciate. I like that it's just a very natural kind of scent here. Cool. Okay, so I'm excited to have this. And then we also have another thing from Dr. Botanicals, and this is the hemp-infused natural nutrition moisturizer. This is so cute. I love these together. I feel like this is such a fun combo, and I love getting moisturizers. I could just live for moisturizers. I think if I could only use one skincare product for the rest of my life, it would be a moisturizer because it makes such a difference for my skin. Ooh, this is definitely very natural. First of all, it's green, which I love. I got just like the tiniest bit. So hopefully you can see that. Oh, it definitely goes pretty far. Ooh. Okay, I like it. There's not any kind of weird scent. I'm a big fan of hemp products, but I definitely feel like a lot of them can lean towards being very weedy. And this is not like that at all. It definitely just smells like good, thick moisturizer. I'm here for that. Okay, fantastic. Ooh, then we have our free gift, and this month it says choose joy on the bag. That's really cute, a nice little touch. This is something that you get every month. I think every month it's been a pair of earrings so far. Last month they were these adorable little heart ones, and I've been wearing them so much. So I'm excited for this one. Ooh, these are fun. These remind me so much of my best friend. So I think I'm going to be giving these to her because they're so her style. This is like her signature color. They're this absolutely beautiful teal color. I really hope that you can see the detail. They're kind of like a metal on here. Hopefully if my camera will just focus on these. Maybe not, maybe not. Okay, but this is what they look like. These are so fun. Okay, I love these, but I definitely think that they are perfect for her, so I'm gonna give them to her. But I love these, especially as a free gift. That is so fun. Okay, then I'm seeing a sheet mask. This is from Facetory. This is Be Bright and Be You, a brightening gold foil mask. How fun. I love this. This packaging is super, super cute. Love a good sheet mask. Oh, this is something interesting. Okay, this is from Eco-Friendly or maybe Grand Fusion. I'm not sure. And this is a natural dish scrubber. So it looks like this. It has a little sponge on the inside. And then on one side, it's kind of this tight knit towel. And then on the back, it's a little bit of a softer, looser knit. So you just use these to scrub your dishes. And the great thing about these is that they're biodegradable. So when you're done with it and it's gotten to the point that you can't use it anymore, you can toss this and feel good knowing that it's not just gonna end up in a landfill. So that's pretty exciting. Ooh, Ooh, then we have a Swedish dishcloth. I love Swedish dishcloths. Swedish dishcloths. That is really hard to say, but they are very easy to use. I absolutely love these for cleaning everything. I actually don't use them for dishes as much. I prefer something like this, but I use these to clean my counters. I love them for cleaning mirrors. Anything that I want to have a soft touch to, these are fantastic. They work so well, and you can use them so many times. And they always have some really fun prints. So I really like this one. It's kind of like lemon and lime slices. This is really cute. So super happy to have this. And then I believe this is the last item. This is a little book. This is a Make Your Place book, Affordable Sustainable Nesting Skills. Ooh, okay, that's kind of fun. This art is so beautiful. So first of all, the font is so cute, but there are little like doodles. This is so cute. Okay, I'm really excited. So what's actually in here? Looks like we have, how to treat burns, rashes, and skin conditions, natural pain relief, depression and anxiety. Sign me up, I got both of those. So let's see what else is in here. There's wall cleaning recipes, floor cleaning recipes, pest control, different messes, anything in here that uses natural products. Wow, this is really cool. I've actually never read any kind of book like this, and I feel like this is something that I would get a ton of use out of. So I'm really excited to try some different recipes in here and see what we can make. All right, so that was everything in here. This was another fantastic box. So just to recap, we got those lemon cakes, which are crumbling, so I'm putting them out to the side there. We have this Make Your Space book, the Swedish dishcloth and little scrubber, the face mask, the cleanser and moisturizer, this bergamot deodorant cream, the lavender body scrub, this sprouted candle, and our free earrings. That's pretty good. I'm honestly really impressed with the amount of stuff that's in here and the quality of the stuff. I have to say, looking at my favorites here, I think my favorites are either this body scrub or this candle, but I'm going to lean towards the candle because it's something super unique. I am just going to burn this immediately, use this scrub in the shower, try out my new cleanser, and then go ahead and put my moisturizer and deodorant on when I get out, and then I will do some dishes and cleaning. Wow, definitely a very happy space box. I'm super impressed, and I'm really excited to try this out. I do have to say, something that I really appreciate is that I've never used or heard of any of these brands before. So it's really exposing me to new brands and products that I probably would not have found myself, which is my favorite thing about subscription boxes. If you've used any of these products, definitely let me know what your thoughts are down below. And if you have any feedback about this box, I'd also love to hear that too. I am very impressed. Yet again, another fantastic 180-degree box. If you're interested in trying the 180-degree box yourself, I will leave a link down below. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you'd like to see that, definitely stick around and subscribe. Till then, I hope you have a killer day. Bye.